If your iPhone screen is tapping by itself, opening apps randomly, or acting like it has ghost touches, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, open the Settings app and go to Accessibility. Now tap on Touch, then scroll down and select Touch Accommodations. This setting can help control accidental or repeated touches on your screen. Turn on Touch Accommodations and then enable Ignore Repeat. This helps your iPhone ignore multiple accidental taps that happen too quickly. You can also adjust the timing, like setting a short delay so only intentional taps are registered. Next, you can enable Hold Duration, which requires you to press slightly longer before a touch is recognized. This helps reduce random or accidental inputs. After adjusting these settings, your iPhone should stop registering unwanted ghost touches and respond more accurately. If the issue still continues, restart your iPhone or make sure your screen is clean and not damaged. After doing these steps, your touchscreen should feel much more stable and normal again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.